In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Turbotax live efficiently and smoothly. We'll walk through each step to ensure you have all the information you need to access this valuable tax tool designed to make your filing experience easy and stress-free. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open a web browser and head over to the official Turbotax website. Make sure you're visiting Turbotax's official site to take advantage of all its authentic resources without any online hiccups. Once you're there, you're going to look for the sign in button. Now, if you already have an account, simply sign in using your credentials. If you're new to TurboTax, you'll need to create an account by following the on-screen prompts. They'll guide you through the registration process. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the TurboTax homepage. This is where you'll find all the necessary tools and options to begin or continue your tax filing journey. From the homepage, locate the option labelled Live Tax Advice. This feature is one of the highlights of TurboTax Live, offering you direct access to tax experts who can assist you in real time with any tax queries you might have. Go ahead and click on it. Next up, you'll likely see an option to upgrade to full service. Opting for this upgrade not only enhances your TurboTax experience, but also provides additional peace of mind, knowing experts are available to double check your work or even complete your return for you if needed. Select this option if you feel it's the right fit for your tax situation. Lastly, keep an eye out for the Continue button. Clicking on this will finalize your decision to use TurboTax Live's full suite of services. You might be prompted to choose from various service levels or payment options depending on the plan you select, so simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you've gone through these steps, you're all set to start using TurboTax Live. Remember, taking advantage of live advice can be a real game changer, especially if you're navigating complex tax scenarios. These steps streamline the process of activating TurboTax Live, making sure you have all the help you need right at your fingertips. I hope this guide has been useful, and I'm confident that with these steps, you'll unlock the power of TurboTax Live, bringing ease and clarity to your tax season. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your filing.